Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. Now we are in the final part of this course. In this video we will learn about accordion control, and towards the end we will direct you how you can explore your own examples. Accordion control saves web page space as it expands the controls only when needed. So in the last video we talked about tab, right? The same way the accordion control saves web page space as it expands the controls only when needed, right? So tab, it will occupy fixed space, but accordion control, you can collapse all the pages, then when needed you can expand it. Like tab, the accordion displays only headings. If you see here in the side picture, topic 1 is in collapsed state, and topic 2, it displays a title as well as the content is expanded here, right? And topic 3 is in collapsed state. So this is how the accordion control displays. When user clicks the heading, it expands to show the content. Say for example, in topic 2, user clicked it and it expands to show the content. Like tab, we can group the controls under a panel and give a heading to it. Again, if you take this topic 2 example, the content here is just a single line of text, but you can have multiple elements here. You can even have the form elements, right? So personal information, then you can place your all form based control, or it can be any HTML control, right? So here if you see topic 2, second topic's content goes here. So this is the content, it is grouped under the name topic 2. So topic 2 is the heading and this one is the content. Default implementation of the control keeps the widget in fixed size, and if you see here, it is the fixed size. It occupies the entire browser area. This will help in not disturbing the other elements. Means when panels are expanded or closed, it will not push the elements around it. So that's the use of the fixed width, right? So when it expands, it will not push the elements around it because of the default fixed width. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.